Hi, this is Christian White with V1 Aero Technician Assistance Center. This video is why we do low ohm continuity. Most guys doing wire checks, wire health checks, they're just doing normal continuity. Normal continuity, you're checking a wire end to end. Really all it's going to tell you is where that wire goes. Normal continuity, using maybe a 0.1 milliamp, very, very low voltage. Low ohm continuity is using 20 volts DC, higher amperage, and it's putting more of a load on the wire. Also, we're going down to 3 decimal points as a comparison. Normal, what is a good continuity check? Most guys, they look at it, there's really no set number. They're just checking the wire and they think, okay, the wire goes there, we're good to go. But it really doesn't give you an idea of what the health of the wire would be. So in our case here, pin 1 to pin 1, right? 0.52 ohms. Yeah, I'd call that a good wire if I was just doing normal continuity. Let's do another wire. Let's do pin 4. Pin 4 to pin 4. 0.52 ohms. Look, it'd be exactly the same. Really good. Let's go to pin 5. Pin 5. 0.53 ohms. Looks like it's a good wire as well. Now, if we're going to do low ohm continuity, low ohm, we're going to go to low ohm setting. Again, as I said, 20 volts DC. So let's start with pin 1 to pin 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to give it about 10 seconds to stabilize. As you can see, we're looking at 3 decimal points instead of just the 2. It's a lot more sensitive in this configuration. So after approximately 10 seconds, after you see it stabilize out where it's really not moving much anymore, we're going to go ahead and go to the menu. We're going to hit, back it up. Menu button, relative percent, and now we're going to compare that wire to the next. So let's go back to pin 4. Pin 4, again, we're going to let it stabilize. And what we're looking for is to be less than, about 1%, less than 1% difference between the wires. As long as the wires are going same wire diameter and going between the same 2 connectors, so they should be the same length, they're going to be almost identical. As in this case, they're almost absolutely identical. So after that, we're going to go ahead and go to the next wire, wire 5. So we looked at all these with normal continuity and they all look good. So pin 5, we're going to let this stabilize as well. Again, our limit we're looking for is 1%-ish. In our case, we're starting to stabilize around 4% different. Is that really a big difference? Does that matter? Well, what we're looking at here is almost all the strands of that wire that we're checking are gone. There's 3 or 4 strands. But as you can see, the difference in the wiring is definitely showing that there's something going on with that wire.